when I come in Vietnam, after a few days my internet stopped. It's hard, I'm getting lost. This is the train or the tube line, yeah? This country is trying the best. It's not disturbing nobody. And apart of this, I'm happy again one more time. Because what happened? When I come here, when I come in Vietnam, I buy a SIM card, yeah, and I have internet for few days. For few days, the internet was working fine, yeah. After a few days, my internet stopped, and I was thinking why the internet stopped. And why stop, I don't know, because I don't understand. But what I know, today I take my phone, I take the SIM card, I go to the store to Vitel, I go to the store, and I top up some money more. I don't know exactly what I did. I top up some more money, and the internet now it's working. The internet is working fine now. I am happy about this because it was hard when you don't have internet. When you don't have internet, what happened? It's hard. I'm getting lost, and for one day, I don't have internet. I lost myself few times, yeah, but even like that, I stop now a little bit because I think I'm in the wrong line. It's allowed only to go right and left, but me, I don't go right, I don't go left. What I say here, this is the train or the tube line, yeah. It's looking like a new place. Probably they just built it, but this will be very busy. It's not open yet. They will open this month in December. This is what I hear on the news. So this is what happened to me today so far. But I'm happy. I have a new bike. It's a little bit noisy, this one, and I fixed the problem with my internet. So you have to know, if you have time, slowly you can fix anything, yeah. You can fix anything. It's no big problem. It's no big issue. It's just take a little bit time, but of course, slowly you can fix anything, yeah. And me, I can tell you, I am very happy now, yeah, and I enjoy my time very much. I am happy because this camera is doing so well. The camera is working fine. Here I can say it's speed limit 40. You say how beautiful is this? Is the train? Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure if it's train, but tube or train. It's using same way. It's using electricity, yeah. And they built this bridge in top of the road. They built this bridge in top of the road, yeah. And it's look and nice. It's beautiful. And it's saving end space because this bridge, in top of him it's the train, yeah. This bridge is just it's just like in air, yeah. So you can say how beautiful it's nice and green in the bottom, yeah. This is very nice. Here it's another station. Even the station, it's in air. This is very smart and it's looking very nice. They have lifts. You can use lift, you can use steps. Here is big injection and it's busy. It's looking busy. Some people are very busy, and me, I don't have any big issue now. I just have this, it's a little bit dusty, and the pollution is not very bad. It's not very bad, it's not very bad, yeah, so it's like, it's still okay, it's no, and you have to know, this place is really very busy. Like in middle of the town, in town center, there is very busy. So there is the place. There is the place where the population is a little bit higher, but it's not so bad. Yeah, you can say they still doing okay. Lots of tree, and yeah, it's trying the best. This country is trying the best to be nice. It's tidy up. You can say how beautiful it's. Yeah, people are working very hard, and I was telling to you many times, and I can tell you, at some things, this country is living in the future already. Yeah, I know people are thinking, you know, this is why, this is the problem. In the television, on the news, forever, yeah, when I was child, about this country, was writing lots of stuff, but be honest, many people have the idea like this country is old, yeah, because this is the details, the information we receive in Europe. We receive details like this country is old, but this country is not old. At some point, no, at everything, yeah, but at some few things, yeah, this country is living in the future. I'm telling you, this country have things for another countries. They don't even know that these things exist. You know, you just can't say how beautiful is this train, yeah, the train, the railway, yeah, railway. You can say how beautiful it is and how smart it is. The train is staying there up, yeah. And what is nice, this train is not disturbing nobody, yeah. It's not disturbing nobody because him don't have contact with nobody. Him just stay in the sky, you see. I can't say this is the train who is driving in the sky. This is very smart and it's very beautiful and very... I know some people was working very hard to build all this, but at the same time, the result is so beautiful, and this will help a lot. Some people like people like me, I never think how important it's this train line now here. Yeah, I don't think, because I don't have nothing. It's not my the railway, yeah, but this will save lots of time. This is the reality, and at the same time, probably will be more faster. Probably will be more. It's better inside. Probably will have AC inside, fresh air, yeah. Because here outside you can feel it's so hot, yeah. But probably if you're going inside of the train, there probably it's a better temperature. And if the people will take a good care after this, yeah, this is something who really will change lives. So I can tell you, I am very happy about this railway, because yeah, it's something special, it's something new, and it's beautiful, it's smart idea, and what I can say, I hope everybody is happy, everybody will enjoy, and everybody will try to use this. I am sure many people will try to use her, because some people are very curious, you know, to find out how beautiful is this train, yeah, the new train. And I hope if I am here, I will go and me to take the train, yeah, because I want to say how beautiful it is inside. So this is for today. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I hope this motorbike is not making so much noise. So what I can tell you, see you next time, and take care of you and try to do good things.